Hello viewers, welcome to Pawan Surya Aquarium. In this video, we are going to see a small harvest only. The harvest name is sweet corn. I took a small harvest in my garden. I've been uploaded shots only on this sweet corn. I'm keeping this sweet corn to my two budgies only. You will see keeping and my budgies eating the sweet corn also. I will show in this video only. Many of them are seeing my YouTube channel. Thank you. And also please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and share to your friends. Let's see the sweet corn and my budgies. Now you can see my budgies cage. I've been kept the sweet corn also. I've been kept two sweet corn also to my one pair budgies. Even each will eat one. You can see my budgies are seeing the sweet corn. I've been uploaded many shots on budgies. Also go and watch that also. I will give in description and subscribe my YouTube channel. Share to your friends. If you have any doubt in this video, ask in comment. You can see after a few minutes my budgies started to eat the sweet corn. You can see my budgies are eating the sweet corn roundly. This is my grey budgies and that's my blue budgies.